Hey guys, Russ here. Today on the channel, I just want to talk to you about what I use off-road to mount my action camera, my navigation equipment, and my communications equipment to the dashboard of my Jeep. There are a lot of options out there for sure. Some even include swapping out the head unit of your Jeep to include navigation, but that limits you quite a bit depending on what tracking software or anything like that you wanted to use. What I personally went with was the Vector Off-Road JKE dock system. It's about $170, and it's a 1-inch bar system with almost limitless options to mount whatever phone you have, whatever tablet you have, to that bar. It spans pretty much all the way across your windshield, keeps everything locked in place, so it's not banging around and you're not worried about it when you're off camber or splashing through a creek. If you go to their website, you will actually see links to 67 designs, which is what I decided to go with, as well as ram mounts. So there's plenty of options for you depending on pretty much no matter what you want to mount to this Vector Off-Road JKE dock system, you can. There is a solution for it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to respond back to any comments that you have there. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So for now, I'll see you on the trails.